Guarded by number 15. Pass to the TV inside the bank. Number 7 inside top of our one. Room on the face left. Keep it up. Look at that. Number 15 is in good. Number 1 is there. Number 1. Thank this shit. Birthday, second position, number 1. Guarding wide number 13, number 1. Still, number 52, Leo. That's good. We'll see how we got that one. That's number 1, I think I like it. Equal back to the cancer. Number 69, pass it to the Raven Grace, I step away. That's it. Raven away first, number 9. Number 1, Raven ball. Pass it to the base for the long ball. No gain. Raven by the big man. Pass it to Raven, pass it to number 50. The top of the net. The leg off is here. A ball set. I got another guarded wide. Number 15. Pass to the TV. Number 13, pass number 13. 5 fishing. It's good by number 9. Not fucking against the one. Guarded by 2. Number 13. Get it done in crossover. Steal ahead. Number 15, going down the leg. They're good. Rebound by the 8 man. Number 16. Another. First one. Rebound by the 9. Pass to the TV there. Another steal. The big man. Another steal. Number 8 playing for the big boy, guarded by number 3. That's the big one inside. Then Axel. Petition. Axel from the long ball 3. No good. Rebound wide, lead man. The shot. No good. The game. Number 8, on top of the net, they catch that ball. Now one out of ball. Yeah, we have a fan. Another skill, number 56 again, the ACT boys. Number 3, good on the ball. The fake is shot, no good. Rebound by the big man. On top of the net. Number 8, he gets that. The captain. Number 50 for the ball. Save it. That's good. Number 3, Gordon White, number 52. The mighty one out of the basket. And we have a foul. For the 9 seconds. 10 this year. Pulling for the big play. Number 3 runs over inside. Defense that pass to Ray. Big on the flash. No good. Number 7 is there. Number 25 from the long Jerry, Master Larry, 81 attack to shoot. Larry passes to the big man, and line up snag. The three, pass to Pontillion. The big man shot, look good. We'll get her down. The big man from Holiday, number 18, just right step. Good boy. Reference Barrett, good boy. Back to shoot. Boy, to shoot. And clean on the pad. Number 3. He can die. One pass and scoring. Look at that communication. Larry. We're going to fade. Guarded by number 3. Wow, so we have number 3, back to teammate Bugoy. Another fade, Bugoy, bigyan na, mapasa sa teammate. Bigyan ako ng pass sa dalawang. Bugoy. Number 3, tap to shoot. Sarese, bigyan ako ng pass. Bugoy, rebound by the big man. That's good. Pulling for the big play. Pass to the teammate. Bigyan na, the big man. The big number 7. Digging up, pass the big man. Stepping into the line. Retreat, drill wall. Pass from Mother Steel. Bugoy, Bugoy, pass. Number 69 is there. The shot. And drill on the pass. First one,
Score is 59-52, lamang pa rin ang G-Channel.
Head to shoot. Bugoy.
Boy for 3.
Five to shoot. What a shot by number 14. Play. He throws over inside, pass to the point of a shot. Okay. The 12 guard red tape, pass to number 18. Pass to Bugoy, beating on the left. They fake. Back to Bugoy again, he gets out. Pass to the teammate, layup, that's good. What a pass. Number 10. Pass to the teammate inside, and up by 2. 20 seconds. Pass to number 10, napitawan ang bola. Nanabitin ang lakas. That's good on the flag. Quarantine now. The gun is here. Number 11, the shot. No good. The goal is there from on the left. 20 seconds. The girls over by number 8. The layup. Big number 8. 10 seconds. It's hit.